Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a hot tub pad. Nothing too crazy, pretty straightforward. Get it ready in a day, pour in the next. We should knock it out pretty quick, but don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Bye-bye. Hot tub pads are honestly one of the things that people tend to choose us over other companies over. I don't know why. Maybe because we treat them just like a driveway. We bill enough to make sure they don't go anywhere. We have the right equipment to get into these tight little spots. But we tend to do a few. I mean, the common story from customers when they hire us is, "Hey, other companies didn't want to do this work," and I ask myself why. I mean, they're fun to do. They let you go through all the steps without having to do a large volume of concrete. I mean, the only thing that annoys us here is obviously having to dig through rocks and cut landscape fabric, which, by the way, the landscape fabric and some trash that isn't concrete, rock, or dirt, we don't take with us. I mean, if I take a pile of landscape fabric like over to the right with us, I'm just slowly getting rid of it in my trash at home. I don't want to bill customers for it. So what we do is we make a neat little pile. They save some money where we don't have to charge them for hauling away trash, and they just put a couple pieces in their trash over the next couple weeks. They save some money, and everybody helps everybody. Yeah, let's rock and roll. Pours like these are so easy with the Power Buggy. I think it's close to maybe 5 trips back and forth. You unload what you need in less than 20 minutes. Another reason that I love doing hot tub pads, it doesn't take a lot of resources in terms of how much we're moving to get the concrete from the street to the pad. Es por tener la media idea primero y luego ya después él ya sacó las pulgadas ya más exactas. Pues él ya sabía que eran de perdido como unos 4 pasos. Y si le pregunta a él, de seguro él tiene una diferente historia que la hace entre. Finishing this was pretty easy. I just observed from a distance while one of our guys worked stuff out. I actually found like a weird little hump over by that corner because I was on the outside just watching, and we got a little iffy mistake there that we took care of and made right. And that was one of the benefits of having a guy in the concrete while I'm outside just watching. Not to be lazy, just to guarantee quality. Hey guys, Joe from J&M here. So we went through the fence, poured this out. So we are now pouring a 4,500 PSI mix at low slump, and it's actually finishing pretty good, just like the 4,000 PSI of old. So with these new concretes we have, the 1L cement, the 4,500 mix finishes really good. It's pretty creamy. There it is, guys. What do you think? It came out good. I mean, yes, it should be perfectly flat for a hot tub, but you got to make sure it doesn't slope towards the house. So we have like almost a 1% going this way. It looks really nice. This is just barely big enough for the hot tub. They didn't go much bigger, but it should look nice. It should do what it needs to do for the customer. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Next week we're doing another project with a bunch of little details, like 2 steps over there, a little pad over here, and a tiny pad over there. Just little things for a customer. And the end of the year is coming around. Can't wait for that. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.